Now let's talk about a storefront. What is the upside and downside? When you have a storefront, yes, you can't just pick up and move your store. So once you sign a lease and you build out your store, you're committed. But it creates a lot of consistency for customers. Customers love knowing that you're going to be there every day and they can build their routine. Just like you and I both know, you might make a plan to say, okay, well, today I need to go grocery shopping. I need to go here, and that juice bar is on the way, and then I'm going to stop there. Great. You can plan your day around it. But what happens if it's a mobile vehicle and you're not 100% sure they're going to be there? And you plan your day and you show up, and guess what? They're not there. And then some days they are there, and then they're not. You kind of get to the point where you're like, it's a little bit too much effort to roll the dice and figure out if they're going to be there or not. Doesn't mean that you're not going to get sales from customers, but there's some sales that are lost with that experience. So both scenarios have their pros and cons, and be aware that it's not just, being mobile is the best thing in the world and having a store is not the best thing in the world. When you have a storefront, though, obviously you can do deliveries and you can reach your customers if you need to, and you may or may not be able to do that on a truck. It might be a little tricky, not to say you can't, but it might be a little tricky.